Hello and welcome to Toy Broadway. Well, it's a Fireman Sam special day today. We have a wall of Fireman Sam toys that we're going to unbox and try out. And first of all, let's start with Juno by Simba Toys. This has a fantastic flashing light for emergency rescues. Let's get unboxing. So we can see all the things that comes with this toy. Here's a rescue float, an outhailer and a shovel, and you've even got some cutters. Juno has a special mini surfboard that if someone's in trouble you can tow them in. Cheerio, Fireman Sam! Okay, let's have a look at a Jupiter fire engine in this vehicle and figure set. This is a push-along version of Jupiter. We've got lots and lots of different versions of Jupiter, and Fireman Sam loves them all. Now this is a very special Fireman Sam toy. This is a convertible toy, so you can convert Jupiter into a Fireman Sam robot, just like the Transformers toys. Here's his arms. Now we're sorting out the legs. Then you can pop it all back together again, and as if by magic it becomes Jupiter the fire engine again. Let's have a look at Phoenix, the special vehicle to rescue animals that are in distress, and it even comes with a horse. We call him Henry. You've got a button here that can turn on the blue lights. You've got a winch at the front of the vehicle in case you need to really help a horse that's stuck in mud. And you've got a crane at the back to lift them out of harm's way. This is so good. Cheerio! Bye, Henry. Now let's have a little surprise from Tracey's Fireman Sam's lunchbox. What do we think's inside? It's Venus! Venus the water carrier. Hello, Penny. Bye-bye, Penny. Now here's one of my favourites. This was Fireman Sam's original helicopter, Wallaby 1. He's had so many adventures with this helicopter. Wallaby 1 is flown by Tom Thomas, and we can see him there in the cockpit. Let's take the cockpit off so we can have a good look. We stretch out the rotor blades, and if you push this button, the rotor blades spin. Wow! Now Fireman Sam, he wants to practice some rescues. can even rescue somebody in a special bucket. Cheerio, Fireman Sam. And here's a rescue cradle. If someone's stuck on the side of a mountain or a cliff, then this is a way to get them to hospital safely. Time for another unboxing. It's Neptune. I love Neptune. Let's get it out of its box. Here we've got a little area to keep more rescue attachments and life belts. We've got a winch to rescue people that are in trouble in the sea. Now here's the newer helicopter. This is Wallaby 2. This is a bigger helicopter and can fit more people in the back for bigger emergencies. I love the way the door's shut. Here's the winch, so we can winch people to safety. Tom Thomas. Bye, Tom Thomas. We've just caught Tom Thomas as he's off on a rescue mission. Marshall from Paw Patrol is trapped on the top of a building. Help! Help! He's saying. We need Tom Thomas to come in and rescue him. This is just a practice exercise. There's Tom Thomas now. Jump onto the basket, Marshall. The special basket is lowered down. Be careful. We don't want any accidents during this practice. Marshall leaps onto the rescue harness. Way! Golly, it's a bit swingy. Don't fall out. Actually, I really like this, says Marshall. Can we have some more rides in Wallaby 2? I'm sorry, said Tom Thomas. We've got to keep the helicopter for emergencies. Now, let's move on to the biggest Jupiter, the deluxe Jupiter. It has lots of exciting things on this Jupiter. You've got flashing lights all over the place. Look at that. That's awesome.
Meanwhile, Tom Thomas is patrolling the area in Wallaby 1. Jumping Jehoshaphat's! Blimey koalas, what have we got going on here? Looks like the lifeboat station's alight. I need to get in contact with Station Officer Steele at the Pontypandy Fire Station. Meanwhile, back at Pontypandy Fire Station, a message comes through from Tom Thomas. Jump in Jehoshaphat, says Station Officer Steele. There's a fire at the lifeboat centre. I need to get my best firefighters there immediately. I need to get Fireman Sam. Oh, but he's out on Mercury. I must get a message to him. But let's get Elvis out into Jupiter and off to the lifeboat house. Elvis Cridlington immediately jumps onto the fireman's pole. Good show, Elvis, says Station Officer Still. Now I've got a very important job for you. I need you to take Jupiter over to the lifeboat house because it's a light. I've got to get in contact with Fireman Sam. He's out on Mercury and he'll meet you at the lifeboat house. Okay, Station Officer Still, I'm on it. Okay then, Elvis, I've got the super soaker and you tackle the flames from above. Well done, Elvis. And let's tackle these flames together. Good job, Elvis. Working together always saves the day.
Okay, so here we have drive and steer Jupiter. This is a very simple remote control fire engine. We can see Fireman Sam there. This is a very easy to control fire engine. It needs batteries in this part and batteries in the steering wheel. Rescue ladder there, and this is the steering wheel, how you start up Jupiter. It also has lots of sound effects in it. Just tip to the left to make Jupiter go left and tilt it to the right to make Jupiter go to the right. What could be simpler than that? So much fun. Let's turn it on and have a little play. Go. Oh, I think we're making Fireman Sam a bit giddy. Now, coming very soon on the MGTracey channel is Tracey's Top Toys. And these are lots of Fireman Sam toys in all new adventures. So get over to MGTracey. So cheerio from me, have a fantastic day, I'll see you next time.